Good evening, MMM. My name is Rianel B. Abelia. I am one of the active participants of this community coming from Western Samar. So, last February 29, I provided help in the amount of 5,000 pesos. Then, it was last March 14 when I got help in the amount of 5,700 pesos. So I would like to thank all the participants of this community, especially the participant assigned to my Get Help, who was Agi Batalier in the amount of 5,700 pesos. Thank you. And also to Mr. Sergi Mavrodi, our founder, who is bringing this system alive, who keeps this system alive. And also to all the members, all the participants, thank you very much. God bless.